guys, it's Susan here. Here we are in the caravan in the garden, my Bibleway camp at home. Today we're going to make a brownie in a mug recipe, a sticky, gooey, chocolatey recipe, easy and quick to make. We start off first of all with a microwavable mug. Here's mine. So we need 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour. 1, 2, 3. Not overly huge, just enough. That's your self-raising flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then you want the cocoa powder. That's not hot chocolate, cocoa powder, just one of those. Then sunflower oil. 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. And then the last of these ingredients, 4 tablespoons of milk. Coming up, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you are. Right. Now this is going to need a really good mix. All those dry ingredients need to all mix in. So get going. It will become darker and darker brown as the cocoa mixes in. Get all those little lumps. Right, so there's our gooey mix. Okay. Now we want a sticky middle. So we're going to see what we can put inside. There's all sorts of ideas in the magazine, but you can choose your own. For today, I am going to put in some white chocolate chunks. I'll put in 3, I think. 2, 3, right. I'm going to stick those right down to the bottom. They've gone. And then I'll sprinkle it with a few white chocolate chips so that you can see. Let's have a few more. Go on. It's camp after all. Good, here we go then. Into the microwave. Then you just want to put it on high for 1 minute. Okay, let's have a look, see what it's like. There we are. Okay, let's have a look inside, shall we? What is that? Chocolate. There we are. Look at that. All gooey and chocolatey in the middle. But we'll enjoy it at its best. There we are. Chocolate brownie. Now, give it a go. When you post your brownie on social media, don't forget to tag @Bibleway Camp, #Bibleway at Home. There'll be prizes for the best efforts. Get creative.